Hello everybody, welcome to the weekend edition of E! Prime. I am Tadran. This one is special, says Idonia, as he promises to deliver an exhilarating performance this evening for night one of Reggae Sumfest. The dancehall heavyweight is set to bring Catherine Hall down as he marks his return to the festival stage. Speaking with E! Prime ahead of his performance, Idonia shared that it will be extremely special not only to fans but also himself as he marks 19 years in the industry. He also stated that being part of this year's lineup speaks to his longevity.
God still bless me if you can there and I go and great musically, same way. It kind of special, to me, it show longevity, it show a whole heap of things, and I just want to make it special for the people, who respect and love Idonia's music, for the fans, and for just the general public, for artists who, do 19 years already and still they are going strong. So I just want to put my best foot forward and just make it special for them, you see.
The Bottles DJ added that performing at Sumfest marks a pivotal moment in an artist's career, allowing them to reach a wider audience.
From a little youth, and just had the dream of being an artist. Reggae Sumfest has always been that show where every Jamaican want to be a part of, that shows that your music is doing well here locally and internationally.
He also lauded the festival for its impact on Jamaica's economy and also promoting the island's culture.
Sumfest was a blend of, the Jamaican crowd and the international crowd. So we say 31 years is a great thing, and it's a whole heap them do for Jamaica tourism and for the Jamaican music. So big up Sumfest and was a cheers to more great years. You see?
Idonia will join a slew of other dancehall acts such as Dexter Daps, Valiant and Jada Kingdom. Now YG Marley is also slated to make his Sumfest debut this evening. The reggae royalty, who is best known for his charting hit single Praise Jah in the Moonlight, has been making waves on the musical scene since his debut. The festival will conclude on Saturday with a star-studded lineup, which will see performances from American singer-songwriter Babyface, Paris Hammond, Diani, Nightly Boy, Savannah and others. The Jamaican Rum Festival excites Montego Bay. The rain was out, but so were the patrons, as they flocked Catherine Hall yesterday for the grand return of the festival after a one-year hiatus. Many drawn to the event for its rum-based products, live seminars, and to experience Beat Man performing as Moses Davis. Hitting the stage with a live orchestra for the first time, Davis shared with E! Prime that the experience was one to remember.
The orchestra band was great, that's great. It was a little funny man, then I found a murder man. Wicked.
Partnering with Reggae Sumfest for its return, organizer of Sumfest, Joseph Bogdanovich, said that the partnership has helped to elevate the overall Sumfest experience for patrons.
There's rum and there's music and there's Sumfest. And this one, Rumfest, kind of partner up with us here at Reggae Sumfest. And this is part of the expansion we've been talking about. And we're going to take it to the limits.
Now that's it for your weekend edition of E! Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching. Be safe.